Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Burgett. We're going to do a Venn diagram on the two stories that we read this week. The first story we read was I Have a Pet by Sherry Helpin, and the second one was Pet Show by Ezra Jack Keats. The first one that we read was about a story of children going to a pet show and showing their pets to a judge. Now, in this story, um, the characters in our story, the boys and girls in our story, gave really detailed descriptions of their animals. Talking about what they did um, to, clean up the pets or how they took care of the pets, how they were curious or smart or how they felt. So in this one, I Have a Pet. I wrote out some stuff already. Um, so I'm going to say the children gave details about their pet. Okay? So they gave all kinds of details about their pet. Something else happened was that there was only one judge in this story. Um, the other story has multiple judges. So, and the last thing that I noticed is that all the kids had their pets. None of the animals disappeared or anything like that. Now, in this story, the pet show, um, do you remember the pet show? It was about a pet show, yep. And the kids were bringing all their animals, but Archie, do you remember Archie? What couldn't he find? Yeah, he couldn't find his pet. What kind of pet did he have? Do you remember? Yeah, cat. So Archie couldn't find his cat, so I'm going to write that down. Archie couldn't find his pet. And in the story, especially at the end of the story, who got the award? Because the cat finally showed up, right? Yeah, the little lady got the award for the cat. And it wasn't even her cat. She was just walking and the cat was there. So I'm going to write that down. So at the end of the story, the old lady or the lady kept the cat award. And there's something else that I noticed that's different from I Have a Pet. Was that Archie in this book had something. Do you remember what he had and showed the judges? Yeah, he just showed him a jar. Do you remember what was in the jar? A germ. Yeah, so the other ones, he showed a pet that was a germ. Can germs be pets? No, because we can't see germs. Um, we can't see the pet. Cannot see pet because it's a germ. Now let's look at the middle part of our Venn diagram and let's see what is similar about the two stories. Can you tell me something about the two stories that were the same? Do you remember? All the kids went where? Yeah, a pet show. So all the kids went to a pet show. They're both about a pet show. And what else happened? Did the animals chase each other? Yeah, the animals chased each other. In both books. It has to happen in both the books for it to be in the middle. What else happened? Did the kids get what did the kids get at the end of the stories? Do you remember? Yeah, they got awards. They all received oops, an award. Anything else that you can think of? And there were judges in there. They all had judges in both the books. So this is our Venn diagram. This is Pet Show. So over here, it's just things that happen and I have a pet. And over here, it shows things that just happen in the pet show. And then in the middle happened with both of them. That's how we compare and contrast books, is we look at things that are different and things that are the same. The same goes right in the middle. Because some stories that we read, they have the same characters or similar characters, and things that could happen in both the stories, but they're told by different authors. I hope you like this Venn diagram, guys. This is a little hard, but you know what? You're very smart, and I know you can do this. All right, I'll see you later. Thanks for helping me. Bye.